everybody, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be showing you how to create a Wix account. So Wix, if you're not familiar with it, is basically a site that allows you to create free websites. And so this video was requested by Unbolted TV. So thank you to him for requesting this video. And remember that if you have any videos that you would like to request, anything you need help with, be sure to send me an email at simplechhelp@gmail.com or leave a comment on my video telling me what you would like me to make a video on. So first thing you're going to do is just go to wix.com and I'm going to click on sign in and click on new to Wix, login, and I'm going to put in my email, simplech4@gmail.com, and then simplech4@gmail.com, put in your password. Now I can answer some questions, so I'm going to click let's do it, and I want to create a site for, let's just say, myself. It should be, let's just say, other. And I've built a few sites. I've used Weebly and built a few sites. So there's one option which allows the Wix ADI to create a website for you, which I may make a video about in the future, I'm not sure, but I'm just going to go with choose a template. And yeah, that's basically, you have all these templates to start creating your website. So that's just a quick video showing you how to create a Wix account. And I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.